Hello everyone and welcome back to another video for Made with Love by Hannah's publishing channel. And today we are gonna look at these beautiful pencils, because if you're of course into coloring, you gotta have your pencils. Well, I got these on a 50% off sale and I am very excited to see what's inside. Well, as you can see, it's really well packed and it's a beautiful box with 72 premium soft touch colored pencils. Well, like I said, I've got these on a 50% off sale because these premium pencils aren't always the cheapest. So if you're looking for a budget pencil, this might be a good one to wait for, like a sale like I did. And as you can see, it's wrapped in a beautiful little plastic. And I really love the elegant design on this one. It's a beautiful sturdy metal box. It's packed in with you can see the beautiful drawing at the front. And of course 72 different colors. Well, it opens just like that and you will get the information flyer from the company, in which they also give you some tips on how to use them and get your designs looking all beautiful. On top of that, you can also join their club, of course, and on how to use their product and take your design to the new level. Of course, super handy if you are just starting out, or maybe like other products like these paint. I think they're acrylic paints. We have them here as well. They're quite nice to paint with, actually, if you're looking for different products. Well, this of course is the tester sheet. You can use those to test out all the pencils and have a nice overview of certain colors if you're of course busy coloring. And again, more information about color combinations, how to use them. Perfect to either polish up your knowledge about coloring or of course learn more. Now the actual pencils, as you can see, they're packed really well. Nice protective layer on top of it, and they actually managed to get all the way to us nice during transport. I couldn't find any broken or pencils whatsoever. Well, as you can see, really nicely packed, very handy. It lifts just right out and you got all these different colors readily available. Well, let me show you a bit closer so you can see colors with the names. This one looks a bit funny, but again, besides that little mark on the black, that looks all good to go. All soft touch, as you can see. These are, of course, the yellow tones. Now let me show them the other ones as well. Beautiful pink. I know my daughter will love these because she's obsessed with pink. And also very handy, they have the numbers on them. So if you're looking for a specific color, you can just easily find them, because I know I have another coloring pencil set and they don't have any of that on it. And sometimes you just have to guess what you're taking out that day. And I must admit, sometimes I do accidentally add the wrong color to a coloring sheet. And then of course, it's annoying. You understand what I'm talking about. As you can see, beautiful box, also on the inside and the lid. Again, the colors, the names, all nice and clear. As you can tell, I think they're really nice quality pencils. I haven't tried them yet. I will make sure to make another video so you can check it out. But for now, this is the unboxing of Castle's premium soft touch colors pencils. And if you're interested in buying a set, make sure you use the link below. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and hit that notification button so the next time we release a video, you will be the first to know. For now, that's it, and we'll drop another video soon. Bye!